This is a poor man's way to make a cube with Pikachu on it. And we just need to wait for it to dry now, and then we can test out the cube. Yeah, it's a really cheap cube. Yeah, it's even the sticker is about to fall off. It's really quite unfortunate. Anyways, I see it's dried very quickly. Should we give it a spin? See if it will break. Okay, let's sort of time ourselves. I think with a cube, sometimes the whole face would not go back to its original form. But let's try. Okay, so we're gonna start timing ourselves. We do it the 3x3 solve way. We're gonna make the first white layer first, and then we build on. Okay, we start with the white cross. Let me just check. Okay, and let's go. Start timing, and that's good, and that's good. Cool. Let's solve this part. Okay, then we solve this layer. Right here, and then should do it like that. Almost there. One last layer. Okay. There we have it. You can see, even though it's all white, but it's messed up, but it's fine. Let's continue solving. Whoa! And it's solved already. Okay. I think that was under 1 minute. But you see the face is messed up. Because I think even if you solve the white face, sometimes can be messed up. So anyways, yeah. That's what you do, what you can do to make a Pikachu cube. A very cheap one. Yeah, catch you next one.